Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Enter your numbers in message box. So there it will mention your time when you logged in, when you logged out. Even if disconnect also, you enter it afterwards. That is what your attendance letter. You can claim that. Both the files will be sending to mail IDs. All right. Right. I've sent today also one a link. Instead of MCQ questions, I just have asked. Every day I used to ask one question only, list out. That's all. So last class I have asked 6 potential abbreviation strategies. This one on the simple truncation, vowel drop with a simple truncation, first and last letter, first letter of each word in a phrase, standard abbreviations, and phonics. These were the last class questions. See, whenever you are getting time, link you fill it and send it to us today. Whatever we are sending, the same day you try to send it. So because that 20 marks for test and 20 marks for the other activities like assignment and whatever we are sending, that one. So one day, whatever we are sending. So probably I might have sent only 6 or 7. All you send it. Based on that one only, you will be given the internal marks. Okay. So other activities is nothing but that one only. So whatever we are conducting quiz or activities or sending Google forms, that one only. So don't miss it. So whenever you are getting time, you send it to us. Okay. So how is your preparation for test? How is your preparations? Started or we have to start? Ajay? Ajay? You have to start or started preparation?
Yes, sir.
Test preparation?
Yes, sir. Started, sir.
Okay. Where is Surya Prakash? Surya Prakash is not there only. What about others? Started? Shashank?
No, sir.
Okay. So we'll discuss case study question is when? Day after tomorrow, na? Or today only. So because only 4-5 slides are there, we'll see that one we'll discuss. Right, just link one small only. So based on our syllabus only, I have given small modification for the case study questions. So whatever we have given for the first test, the similar we will now also. All right. So 6 potential abbreviations we had discussed. Simple truncations because this is nothing but the when you are doing the command line searching. For example, if you take mobile, suppose I want to search particular name. For example, if I'm typing SU, so SU, whether first name or last name, all the names will be displayed. So that is what the simple truncation, vowel drops, so character, all these things. So here is vowel drop with simple truncation is nothing but eliminate the vowels. So eliminate the vowels is nothing but, so already I have told you, like Unix or web programming, you might have done some of the programs starting with integer. So for example, validations, I want to start with one by, second letter, second one is nothing but the second one and third one only by only should come, next to two integers should come. So like this, you might have done some of the validations. The similarly dropping the some of the characters other than these numbers. Unix, you might have searched it, not for other these two numbers, remaining should be displayed. So first and last letter, some of the cases, that's what I told you, first letter and last, first name and last name. So wherever it is available, so that should be visible. That's what, since the first and last letters are highly visible, this one. For example, some of the names, you would, for example, here it is displaying Amruta Acharya. So some cases they will write Acharya Amruta. So whatever it may be, either first character or second characters or first name or last name to be searched in. For example, if you take Aadhaar or any names or banking name, banking, if you go for survey, they want to search for the names, or office when you are paying the fees. So some of the names, that is what the, when you are writing any programming, so searching should be working both the cases, all the cases should work such a way that you need to write the abbreviations for the particular program. So that is what the first letter of the each word in the face. So use with the hierarchical design. So we need to design the hierarchical designs with the names also. For example, any websites, if you take, that should be college website. If you take, what will happen? So departments, they have given in that HOD's names, under that faculty names, their designations, their expertise, all these things, hierarchy, they have to follow it. So every faculty's, what is the publications, all these things. Next is the standard abbreviations. From the other context is nothing but the use familiar abbreviations. So here is nothing but the some of the familiar abbreviations. For example, faculty, if you take, so faculty names, I want to search it, that is nothing but the name, that's all. So I cannot give some other name. So for example, Flipkart, if you take some of the grocery items, if you want to search it, so that particular small shortcut key should be given, so not with the other names. So for example, basic, if you search it with grocery items, it is meaningless. That is what they have to use some of the standard names. This is what the file names when you are giving. If you want to remember later stages, I should be able to remember that. So when you are doing the laboratory programs, what you will be doing, program 1, program 2, or prims, push calls, some of the names you are giving, so which way you want. So some of the standards you need to follow. So otherwise what will happen, searching all these things, remembering also it will be difficult. So some of the cases we'll be searching in mails, some of the particular file names. So we might have attached with the file names to, we might have sent it to our mails. So let us take some of the cases, if you want to search it also, we should be able to search it. That is what the standard abbreviations, phonics, focus attention on the sound. So this is what we had discussed already. So guidelines also using abbreviations, some of the abbreviations they have to give it. So this is nothing but the first one is nothing but a simple primary rule should be used to generate the abbreviations for most items. So they have to, rule should be used for the generate the abbreviations. So rules is nothing but, so which task you are doing, that particular task, some of the shortcut names should be given. So virtual private networks, for example, if you take VPN, so that is what the some of the standards. So that is what the standard names you need to utilize it, and it will be easy for us. That is what the guidelines. Even when you are doing mini project or main project, what you will be doing. So what are all the abbreviations you are doing, that it will be mentioned starting. So that is what this is what the first one. A simple primary rule should be used to generate the abbreviations for the most of the items. That is nothing but repeated items. When we are using the repeated items, we have to use it. For example, transportation problem, TP will give it. So write a program WRP. Shortcut means we have used it. So that is what the shortcut came. Next one is nothing but the abbreviations generated by the secondary rule should have the marker. So for example, asterisk incorporated with the items. So that is nothing but the abbreviations generated by the second rule should have the marker. Second rule is nothing but the marker. Asterisk is nothing but what? For star. For example, some of the names 2 to 3 letters I will be typing just star. Star is nothing but followed the remaining all the entities. For example, file 1 F5 I will type it, remaining star I will type it, and star dot star. Asterisk some of the cases will be entered. Unix you might have seen that type of examples. That is what the second one. So extension also should be displayed. Next is the number of words abbreviations by the secondary rule should be kept at the minimum. So second one should be kept to the minimum. So minimum in the sense, so star and dot. So that names, whatever you have given the extensions, it will be displayed. That is what the shortcut forms. The number of words abbreviations by the secondary rule should be kept to the minimum. Secondary rule should be always kept to the minimum. Next is third is nothing but the number of the words abbreviations by the secondary rule should be kept into the minimum. Next one is user should be familiar with the rules used to generate the abbreviations. So user should be familiar to use the shortcut keys. So who are all the end users? Whenever they are using, they should know how to use the command line arguments. So searching and all educated people, so we can search it. So some of the people, they may not be knowing, they should be know how to utilize the search commands also. That is what the another one. You should be familiar with the rules used to generate abbreviations. Next is truncation should be used always. So because truncation is nothing but the, so for example, SU, best example is nothing but your names in your phone book. So I want to search with the particular names. In that case, SU, if you type it with all these things, it will be displayed. So that is also called truncation. We can take the example. So truncation should be used because in easy rule for users comprehend the remember. However, when it produces a large number of identifications abbreviations for the different words, adjustments must be found. For example, when you are typing 2 characters, starting with the 2 characters, the remaining will be displayed down. So when sometimes you'll be menu box or the whenever you are typing star dot, so it should be displayed. So that is what the truncation also should be used. Next is fixed length abbreviation should be used in preference to variable length use. So fixed length abbreviation should be used in the preference of the variable length ones. So you have to use the shortcut keys with the minimum length. So abbreviation should not be designed incorporate ending with ing, ed, and s. So this name should not be used. So unless there is a critical space problem, abbreviation should not be used. The message generated by the computer and read by the users. So command language guidelines. So this is what up to here I might have done it, I hope. So this is what the next one is create the explicit model for the objects and actions. So here is objects and actions. So when you are clicking that should be perform some particular task. So we need to create the particular models. So object is nothing but the collection of the different items for the particular item. Choose the meaningful, specific, distinctive names. So choose the meaningful and specific, distinct names. That is nothing but the for the specific items we need to select the meaningful items. So then only we can be able to remember easily. Otherwise, it will be difficult for us to remember. So that is what the meaningful items to be given. Try to achieve hierarchical structures. Try to achieve the hierarchical structures. So hierarchical structures is nothing but, so we need to follow the hierarchy. So whenever you are doing the projects, we need to follow the hierarchy. That's what the best example. I told you college if you are going. So college hierarchy is nothing but what? So contact information, principals, next deans, HODs, next is the faculties. So some of the hierarchy we need to follow. So when you come to the department, HOD, next faculties, next students. So that way we should be easy for us to find out. That is what the hierarchy. Unix also, you might have done the hierarchy. They might have asked the questions, hierarchy structures. So that means what? Root. Under that you will be having the home directory / variable name / library / configuration files CYNF. So like this you have to follow the hierarchies. So configuration files will be under only configuration files. Home is nothing but the users working area. So like that you need to mention even in your projects also hierarchy to be maintained. That is what they try to achieve, the hierarchical structures. The next one is called the provide consistent structure. So there is nothing but the hierarchy, augmented order, and action of the object. So this is, you have to follow the structures perfectly. Next one is called the support the consistent abbreviation rules, prefer truncation to the one letter. So that is nothing but always this one will be there. Truncation is nothing but. So normally we'll discuss about the floating point truncation errors. So even here also we need to follow this one. Next is the offer frequent users the ability to create the macros. Offers frequent users of the ability to create the macros. So macros, so to do the particular task, so use the ability to create the macros, that is nothing but the particular task execute. So offer the frequent users the ability to create the macros. So consider command menus of the high-speed displays. So whenever you are clicking some of the items, so their menu items to be displayed immediately, automatically should come. Next is consider the command menus for the high-speed displays. So whenever you are typing the command line menus, menu items, so it should be fast. So limited number of commands and always accomplishing the task. So limited the number of commands and ways of accomplishing the task. So here is number of limited the command of the argument. So whenever you are doing any projects, we cannot give maximum shortcut keys, all these things. Whenever it is repeating, then only we need to give the command line argument. This is what the command line arguments, guidelines. So guidelines and abbreviations. So how to give the abbreviations? So whenever it is repeating that one, we have to give the abbreviations, easy way to remember that one. That's what I told you, virtual private networks, VPN. So like this, we can give the shortcut keys with respect to that particular this one. And command language guidelines also, you need to follow that one. So here is nothing but how to create the actions, so objects, so how to, that should be meaningful, and it should have follow the hierarchies, and that is nothing but the order also to be followed, and truncations should be followed, and to design the particular task, there should be macros, create the macros for that one, and so the menu items to be displayed very fast, and high that should be displayed, menu items also, speed should be maintained. So that is what the command line guidelines. Next one is called the, you have the natural language in computing. So this is also simple one here. So this is what natural language in commands. These were the 6 points we are having. So sorry, 5 points. One is called the natural language interaction. So natural language interaction is nothing but, you know that, so interactions whenever it is happening from one person to another person, the natural languages only. So command lines, for example, here also, for example, chatting. So I might have typed this, very good morning to all, you might have typed it, this one. So that is also called natural language interactions only. So how to happen the natural languages interaction? So interaction is nothing but, so one to one, or one to another, or one to many, whatever it may be. So here is just have typed command line argument. There is nothing but the good morning to all, enter your registered number. So you people might have entered the registered numbers, this one. So there it will be registered. So by what time you have entered to the class. So all the details, one file will be sending to the respective person. That is nothing but who is recording that one. That is what the command line language interactions. So next is natural language queries and questions answer. So natural languages queries and question and answers. So here is you can post the queries whenever you are attending the classes or attending the seminars or webinars, whatever it may be. So you can post the questions. So some of the cases you might have seen because of the noise, so they might have given the permissions only to post the queries. Only to post the queries. So other options, they will be highlighted, they will be stopping that one, because otherwise what will happen, some of the people they switch on that one, they will keep on go, so noise, other disturbances, sometimes they will switch on that one, they will be talking to other people, all these things will be happening. That is the reason whenever you are attending seminars, they might have done like this. So because they will not allow us to talk, they'll say that if you have any doubt, please put into the queries so that we can answer that questions, or they will be telling the answers, otherwise later they will be discussing the answers, or they will be sending only the answers to us. So there is the natural languages queries and the question and answering, so both. So here is, suppose the provider have all the options, because what will happen when the seminar is going and in between sometimes they will be giving the distance, so the flow will be stopping and the other people will get confused. So that is the reason normally the standards is nothing but what they will allow us to do the presentations, and once complete, next the question and answers. So then interactions will be happening. So the different ways they can ask. Suppose sometimes when you are saying, if I'm asking some questions, they'll say, sir, when heavy disturbance. So when you are switching on that unmute, what will happen? The disturbances will start because of the network. In that cases, so now queries they can question and post. So next is text database searching. So text database searching also should be available. For example, here student, I don't know whether you can able to do this one or not. So here is when I'm searching this message box, I want to send only the particular person. So I can search for that particular person. For example, here is Gautami. So if I type only Gautami, I can search the people. So people is there. You can search it whether it is the particular person is available or not. So that is what the searching text-based. Text-based searching is nothing but, so you can type the particular person is available or not. So even if it is 70 people are there in your class, so I want to search the particular person, whether it is present or not, or you want to send some messages. That is what the text database searching also. So database is nothing but here the informations are available, and in that will be searching. Even they can store it, some of the informations, and they can search it. For example, if you take home loans, or two-wheeler loans or car loan. So text-based searching is nothing but just I would like to know after paying 3-4 months how much outstanding amount is there. So if call through customer call, if you're asking, they will ask you some of the details, account number or your name or phone number. So based on that, they will be searching and they will be telling. So whether you have paid it perfectly or not. So if it is paid, what is the outstanding balance? All these things is also possible. That is what the text database searching. Next is called the natural language text generations. So natural language text generation. Text generation is nothing but, so if you are typing something, so that should be generated the queries automatically. So the DBMS best example you can take it. So you have the some of the databases. So I want to select 1 or 2 databases, only particular fields, or who are all drawing more than 80,000 salaries. I want to display it, or who is getting the salaries in between 60 to 70,000. All these things we can find out. Natural language text generations. Next is adventure games and instructional systems. This is, you know that this is where you are familiar for this. There is nothing but the games and instructional systems. So games, many games are available online, or sometimes you will be downloading and you will be playing. So just they'll be giving the instructions either up or down or arrow or increase the speed or gun how to utilize. All these things, some of the instructions to be given clearly for the particular games. That is what the adventure games and instructional systems. This is what the natural language in computing. Once they've asked you for these 8 questions in the question paper. I'll show you this after this class, what are the question papers they've asked. So natural language in computing is nothing but what? Natural language interactions, natural language queries and questions answering. So online, whenever your interaction, all these things you might have across this one. So text database searching. So text database searching is nothing but what? You will be having the database down. So whenever you are typing the information, automatically it will be coming from the database. So next is natural language text generations. So you have the natural languages. So text generations is nothing but select star from that particular database. So you'll be getting the informations. So adventure games and instructional systems. So adventure games and instructional systems is nothing but what? So games for that or any apps. So they have to give some of the rules, regulations. So they'll be asking when you are installing some of the apps. So we have to accept the conditions. When you are filling the applications, for example, online account opening, all these things. So finally they will be asking after uploading. So we'll be accepting that. We have to give it. So when you are taking the loans, either two-wheeler car, all these things they will be taking. So we will not read only some cases, many cases, either house loan or two-wheelers. Just they will take the signatures. So if we are unable to pay, then they have all the options. They might have written all the conditions, check bounce, this much we have to pay, or if you are not able to pay, they'll be taking and going. So they will be the owner till complete our loan. So that is what some of the rules, regulations, examples. So instructions to be given. Next is called here some of the natural languages, education. So educate the people purpose. They have given some of the examples here. So here is one window is you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows are there. So here is the first one is nothing but the just text messages they have given. They open one file and they have given some of the instructions, rules, regulations. And the second one, some of the numbers you are having, and with that they have generated the report here. So reported is nothing but previous examples also we have seen. So whenever you are having some of the informations, we can manipulate the data. That's what last unit and starting of this unit also we have done it. Manipulations also can be done with existing data. So existing data is nothing but some of the data temperatures or some of the numbers are there, and that so you can generate the charts, pie chart or line or graph, whatever it may be. Next is some of the worksheets. They have displayed it here. Some of the worksheets they have displayed it, and some of the points they have displayed in the Excel sheet. So they can draw the graph, whatever they want, they can do it. That is what the cognitive tutor traces student progress in mastering skills and the concepts. Then assign the individual turn problems, communicating with the students via natural languages. So these were the via natural languages in the Excel sheet. If you take, that is the best example for the natural languages. So we are able to do it there, some average, many calculations, all mathematical calculations, we can do it in Excel sheet. Not only normal calculations, even accountancy formulas also, many formulas are available. So we can do it, we can utilize that. So all these things they need the natural languages only. So for us, natural language is nothing but simple way we can utilize that one. So that is what the examples for this, and this is what the end of the chapter for this, the fourth half. So remaining is there, and next chapter we'll see the next class. Just I'll show you some of the question papers what they've asked previously. Can you able to see the question paper?
Yes, sir.
Right. We'll take first one MCA only. Right. Can you able to see? Subject code is 13 MCA 355. Can you see it? Apurva? Question papers?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
able
We
to
can
see?
see it. Yes,
Right.
sir.
Yes, yes. So 10 MCA 45 and 13 MCA 355 and one is called CS to CS, computer science, the UID we have taken. Almost same syllabus, only bit different. Let us see this one. So now previously they used to write 8 questions they used to give, 5 answers to be written the students. So 5 out of 8. So that's what 5 questions student has to write. So now what will happen? Either type. So first unit 2 questions will be given, 2 units second 2 questions will be given. The similarly third unit, fourth unit, and fifth unit. So now first test already you have completed, but still we'll discuss one of what we have asked and what they have asked. Write the 3 goals of the interface development of the professionals. I hope I have asked this question last time. Briefly explain the 8 golden rules of the interface design. 8 golden rules. Even we have asked some of the Viva question. This one, quiz question also. So mention the Norman services stages and action model for the contribution. Next is discuss the different ethnographic observations on the development process. This also we have done it first 2 units only. Write about the legal issues that affects the implementation or marketing of users interface design. Next is briefly explain the variety of expert review methods in evaluating multiple design. So this is what the first test syllabus we have done. Now let us see the second test syllabus, whatever we have done and what they have asked. Next is mention the different features of the interfacing building tools. This was the third unit, building blocks. So there we have asked. Next is write the advantages of what you said and what you gain. So that's what even we have asked the question for the Google form also. I hope I have asked this. Ajay?
Yes, sir.
So these were the same question they've asked here. Next is list the 3 principles of the direct manipulations of the different beneficial attributes. So direct manipulations, we have 7 or 7 manipulations are there. They've asked any 3 principles direct manipulations and list out any 3 principles of the direct manipulations and the different beneficial attributes. So direct manipulations, we have 6 manipulations are there. I'll show you that also. Manipulations. PPTs. So opening wait. What they've asked here is the question paper is third one is list the 3 principles of the direct manipulations and the different beneficial attributes. So direct manipulations, these were the you have the questions. Direct manipulations, command line versus display editors and word processing. This is what the 7 I told you. So word processing history and current status, and the Wixi, Cal, spreadsheet, and this one, and office automation history. Next is the data management, video games, computer aided design, and the containing evaluation of direct manipulations. So in this one, any 3 they have asked. So this is already, you know that how to direct manipulations, how to do it, all these things. So next is technologies versus how to utilize. Any three you have to mention it. That is what the question they have asked. That is what the answers. So three different interfaces building blocks. This is nothing but the second unit last topic. So next is this is nothing but the three different manipulations. So direct manipulations, out of this, without questions they cannot ask you the examination, because this chapter, this is what the maximum any three, this is what half of the chapter for this. So without this question will not be there, either three or they'll ask you to entire thing, and this one how to write it. So you know this, some of the examples with respect to examples, one or two diagrams you try it by your own, like menu items, and write the examination. That is what the question says. And next one is discuss about the combinations of the multiple menus. So multiple menus is nothing but the, again here you have the single menus and multiple menus. So just I'm showing because many people just recall the answers. So here after direct manipulations, you are having the video games, computer data automation. This is okay. Next, so discussion of the direct manipulations. 3D interview telephone virtual. Right. So menu organizations, you are having the two things. One is called the single menu and another one is called the multiple menus. So these were the under single menu, you have the options how to do it. Next is single menus, out of this multiple items, multiple menus. Single menus only, pull down, pop down, toolbar, all these things. And single menus, next is single menu. So with this, with respect to this, only I've asked the case study question also. I'm telling you, single down, pull down, this one only case study question. So see these three diagrams, and with these two diagrams only, these three diagrams. Which one? This, this, this. Based on this one only case study question. Next is single menus only. So see, single menus only maximum you are having. Next is combinations of the multiple menus. So either single menu or multiple menus, one question compulsory will be there in the examination. So see here, which question we were discussing? This one. Discuss about the combinations of the multiple menus. So multiple menus is nothing but this one, combinations of the multiple menus. So you have the two things. One is the linear menu sequences and simultaneous menus. So here you have the tree structures. Next is content organizations. These were the, you need to write it. So these were the examples for the multiple menus. So here is all 8 marks only. So one or two cases only they will be asking 2 to 3 marks, like what you said, what you gain, something like this. Next is briefly with a suitable example, explain about the naming and abbreviations. So naming and abbreviations is nothing but today's class, whatever we have done. Naming and abbreviations with an examples, we need to write it. So for example, that's what I told you, virtual private networks, some of the rules, regulations, how to write it. So they've given 10 marks, you see here. With the suitable examples, explain about the naming and abbreviations, how to give the names and abbreviations. You take your own examples and write it. That main points to be given properly. So that main headings, you have to enter it and you have to give the explanations. Okay, these were the next question. Next is briefly explain the fit law for the pointing. So this is next unit. So we'll see the next one, next examination. So fourth and fifth is nothing but 5, 6, and 7. Eighth question is nothing but they will be asking all the units write a short notes normally. So they used to ask like this. So pillars of the design, first unit test. Next is virtual argument related. So online tutorials, still we have not done it. Information visualization. So next 2 units. So that is what the one question paper. And another question paper, you see it here. So I'll discuss with respect to the second unit only. Explain 5 methods used evaluation during the active use. This already we have done it. Explain the features of the interface building blocks. So here is first test only. First 3 questions they have covered it. So here is fourth question. Explain any 5 examples of the direct manipulations. So 5 examples, either spreadsheet or Excel or VASPA. So that one only, any 5 examples you need to discuss. Last question paper they've asked any 3, but now they've asked any 5. So that is one of this one. Next one is briefly explain guidelines for menu layout and dialog boxes. So menu layout, menu dialog boxes, just guidelines only for 2 they have asked. So when you are preparing menu layout and dialog boxes, what are all the rules, regulations you need to follow for the guidelines? So that is what the menu layout and dialog boxes. So common guidelines you will be learning, that one only will be applicable for menu layout and guidelines also. That is what the fourth question. And the next fifth question here, explain the abbreviation strategies and guidelines for using the abbreviations. This is the last question, and last question paper also same question they have asked, and now also they have asked for the abbreviations and guidelines for the abbreviations. So you know that how to give the abbreviations and guidelines. Today only we have discussed it. So we need to follow the shortcut keys and truncation and hierarchy, how to follow this one, and when you are following the macros. So all these things, whatever we had discussed in today's class, that are only abbreviation strategies and guidelines for the using the abbreviations. 10 marks they've asked you, see here. Next is discuss the pointing task involved with the pointing devices. So pointing devices is nothing but direct manipulations in that unit only. Some of the third topic or fourth topic, I hope that are only this one. So discuss the pointing task involving with pointing the devices. This is what the fifth question. Next is explain the color guidelines for the interfaces now. So up to 5 questions we have covered till now in this question paper. So here also this question paper, how many questions? Briefly explain fit for 5. Discuss the combination. In this one they've asked only 4, but in this one 5 questions. So 4 or 5 questions till now. So normally 5 questions in this one, because the world scheme is because of a bit different. So here is till now we can say 4 full questions, and fifth one is 3 full questions, and fourth one is going on. So only half of the unit is available, half of the unit we have completed. So include abbreviations, this one is nothing but the 3.5 unit we have completed. So in this question paper they've asked the 5 questions are there. So this first, even you can see first 2 questions also what they have asked. What are the usabilities of the goals and goals for the requirement analysis? Explain the personality differences and international diversities, and list out the explained 8 golden rules. Now for us we have the only 8 golden rules in the interface design. So explain the 4 pillars. Same question we have asked for the first test also. 4 pillars, and with your own examples. Innovative question is this one only we have asked. Next is explain 5 methods used for the evaluation during the active cases, active users. Next is building blocks. So this question they've asked there also. This question paper also they've asked, here also they've asked. This is what the one question paper. Now we will see the CS question paper also what they've asked. We will see it. So 2007 scheme IS department. So I have downloaded from the net only this also. Explain the 8 golden rules of the interfaces. See the same question they have asked here also. Which guidelines are necessary for the organization getting the user interface in the data display? So data display, what are all the necessary rules, necessary guidelines? This one they have to use it. Next is why is the ethnographic abbreviations necessary in the user interface design? What are the steps involved in this one? This also we have done it. How user interfaces design can be evaluated during the active use. This also we have done it. So briefly explain the features of the user interface building blocks. See this question almost everywhere they've asked. Next is what are all the problems in the direct manipulations explain. So direct manipulations, what are all the problems you will be having? That's 7 again. So directly or indirectly, list out any 3 or explain any 3 or any 4 or mention all these things they will be asked that only. Next is what is a dialog box? How it is useful, explain with an example. So they've asked to see only one dialog box. So you have the single menu, double menu is there in that dialog boxes. When you are using, what is the use for the dialog box, and with an examples you have to write it. One dialog box, any one example you can take, and what are all the guidelines they have asked is explain how to utilize that one. Write what is the guidelines, how to utilize that one. Next is what are all the goals and constraints in the language design. So language design when you are using, so that's whatever we have discussed in today's class and last class, natural languages designing. So what is the goals you are having to do this one? So last that 5 points we had discussed, that one only you can write it. Next, which type of interaction task is possible with the pointing devices? Briefly explain important features of the imaging video. So audio video is nothing but next for us. So up to 4 questions only we have covered till now in this question paper. Yes. So maybe they're having one more unit, I hope, extra. For us is one more unit less, no problem. So these were the world question papers, and you see whatever we have discussed, whatever we had discussed, that only they've asked the maximum questions. Now you have the idea what are the questions they will be asking in the examination. So that is what you have to do it. So Sahadev.
Yes, sir.
So textbook you got it already?
Sir, I returned, sir.
Okay. That you will scan it and send it to others also, that notes. I will send it the PPTs also. Main headings you can utilize it. So example purpose we can read the book. Okay. So whatever we have come, first test is first 2 units we have done it, no? Or how many units we have done first? After first test, whatever we have done up to today's class. Okay, I'll send PPTs also. First 2 units I'll send it already. Now 3rd unit and 4th half unit I have to send it. I'll send it today after this class, then PPTs also. Okay. All right. So Google form already I have sent it. I hope already they have sent 15 people. So today's class, list out any 4 command language guidelines. Command languages, this one only they've asked for explanation also. See, simple questions they've asked. Right. Now, I'll take attendance. Then we'll leave the class. So, innovative and case study questions. Case study question already I have told you that 3 diagrams with respect to that one only. Link also I'll send it. So otherwise I will upload it, no problem. Anyone, I'll do it. So this time write it bit elaborately. So please, before examinations, you read it once. Then only it is easy to write the examination. So especially what you people are doing is opening the book and writing. So for 1 question, 2 questions, you are spending more time. Then you will not get the time. So then what you will be doing? You will be writing only main headings and doing. So that is the problem. So this examination, please put the margins properly. Within the margins, only question number should be written. Otherwise, that sheet will not be evaluated, I'm telling you. And file name should be with your registered numbers. So scan it properly. So one page, one side. So half of the message will not be visible only. So first top sheet will not be visible. Otherwise, bottom page will not be available. So like this, don't scan it and send it. Properly do it. And this time probably buffer time, within that buffer time only you need to upload it. Even 1 minute later also they will not be taking, I hope. Okay. So timing should be followed, and you divide 5 questions will be there. 5 questions, 1.5 hours. So each question, how much time is required? So especially theory subjects, you need to write it properly. You need to elaborate it properly. If you write it only headings, nobody will give the marks. So that's what happened first test, especially IoT and UID. So if you write it the same way in the main examination, it will not work out. You have to write it, you have to fill it. So main headings to be covered, in that you have to write the explanation properly. So try to write it explanation 2 to 3 pages for every question. So then only you will get good marks. So if you write it only headings, nobody will give the marks, I'm telling you. That's what you need to do it. And I'll take the attendance now. So answer attendance 1.
2.
Aditya.
Sir.
3,
Yes, sir.
4,
Yes, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present.
7,
Yes, sir.
8,
Yes, sir.
9. Divyash. 10,
Yes, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14, 15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18, 18, Nidhi. 19, Pradeep.
Yes, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
22, Rajesh. 24,
Present, sir.
25, Anand. 26, Santosh. 27,
Yes,
Seema. 29, Sinchana.
Present, sir.
30, Spurti. 31,
Present, sir.
33, 33,
Present, sir.
34, Yashashwini.
Present, sir.
50, Amruta. 51, 51, Anusha. 52, Apurva.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
53,
Yes, sir.
54,
Present, sir.
55,
Present, sir.
56,
Present, sir.
57,
Present, sir.
58,
Present, sir.
59,
Present, sir.
60,
Present, sir.
61,
Present, sir.
62,
Present, sir.
63, Reddy, Prashant. 64,
Present, sir.
65,
Present, sir.
66,
Present, sir.
68,
Sir.
69,
Present, sir.
70,
Present, sir.
71,
Present, sir.
72,
Present, sir.
73, 73, Umahani. 74,
Present, sir.
76,
Present, sir.
77.
Present, sir.
Okay.
Sir, Apurva present, sir. 06.
06. Have given, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So whatever I have sent it, you send it that